You can compromise on tool efficiency in many other jobs, but when it comes to electrical work, you simply can't afford to. That's why today we're here with some of the newest and upgraded tools from Klein Tools, a brand known for reliability, safety, and the one thing you need most on the job, accuracy. Okay, first we have something that not just solved one problem, it solved problems. So if you ever spent too much time flipping breakers just to find the one controlling an outlet, the ET350 4-in-1 digital circuit breaker finder gives you a much easier way to do it. Plug the transmitter into the outlet, scan your electrical panel with the receiver, and quickly locate the matching breaker using the Learn and Locate modes. But you're not limited to breaker finding. The ET350 also works as a receptacle tester, helping you identify common wiring issues and perform GFCI tests. When you need to check for AC voltage, the built-in non-contact voltage tester lets you do that without making direct contact. There's also an integrated LED work light to help when you're working in darker areas. So, instead of carrying several different testing tools, you can handle multiple everyday electrical checks with one compact device. If you work on residential electrical projects, the ET350 can make troubleshooting quicker, easier, and more convenient. Well, don't go on its size. The Klein Tools heavy-duty construction jack gives you that extra support when you need it most. With a 350-pound load capacity and up to 10 inches of lifting range, you can use it to position drywall, cabinets, panels, and other materials with much less effort. The lift, lower, and quick release controls make adjustments easy, while the removable and reversible footplate lets you switch from lifting to clamping applications. Non-marring anti-slip footplate covers also help protect finished surfaces while keeping your materials securely in place. Built with a sturdy steel I-beam construction, the jack is made to handle demanding jobs without adding unnecessary bulk to your toolkit. If you regularly work alone or need a reliable way to hold materials in position while you install or fasten them, this construction jack can be a seriously useful extra hand on the job site. Still switching between settings every time you need to measure voltage, current, or continuity? The Klein Tools Smart Clamp Meter CL460 helps simplify electrical testing with Smart Mode technology that automatically detects what you're measuring and selects the appropriate function for you. That means less time adjusting the dial and more time getting the readings you need. The CL460 measures up to 600 volts AC/DC and 400 amps AC/DC, while TRMS and auto-ranging capabilities help deliver accurate results across a wide range of applications. A reverse contrast backlit display keeps readings easy to see in bright or dim conditions, and the built-in test lead holder helps make hands-free testing more convenient. Beyond basic measurements, you can also test temperature, capacitance, frequency, diodes, and non-contact voltage, giving you multiple diagnostic tools in one compact meter. Whether you're troubleshooting electrical systems, verifying circuits, or performing routine maintenance, the CL460 is designed to make testing faster, easier, and more efficient. Need a wider view and more comfort while you weld? The Klein Tools 60141 Phoenix Series Panoramic Welding Helmet gives you a much better look at your work with its 3-window design and large 15.3 square-inch True Color Auto Darkening filter. The fixed Shade 9 side windows also help expand your peripheral vision, making it easier to stay aware of what's happening around you. When things heat up, the integrated 2-speed cooling fan helps reduce heat and moisture buildup inside the helmet. And when you finish a weld and want to inspect your work, the built-in LED headlamp automatically provides light without needing to reach for another tool. You can adjust welding shades from 3 to 14 in half-shade increments, while the large external controls let you change fan, light, and grind settings without removing your gloves or helmet. With its adjustable suspension and optional hard hat mounting, the 60141 is built to give you a clearer, cooler, and more convenient welding experience. Ever wish you could see what's hiding inside tight or hard-to-reach spaces without taking everything apart? The Klein Tools Utility Borescope ET17 gives you a much easier way to inspect those tricky areas. Its 4.3-inch color screen lets you see clear images and video, while 3x zoom helps you get a closer look when details are hard to spot. You can rotate the display up to 180 degrees to find a comfortable viewing angle, while the 10-foot flexible nylon snake lets you reach deep into narrow spaces. Need to grab or inspect something? The included magnet, hook, and mirror attachments make the camera even more useful. The 5.5mm waterproof camera, adjustable LEDs, and 4 brightness levels help you see clearly even in dark or damp areas. You can also capture photos and videos, connect through USB, and get up to 3 hours of runtime, making the ET17 a handy inspection tool to keep around. If finding the right tool means digging through your entire toolbox, you need a better setup. The Klein Tools MODbox drawer boxes give you a much smarter way to keep your gear organized and within easy reach. With 1, 2, or 3 drawer options, you can choose the setup that fits your tools and build a MODbox system around the way you work. Each drawer can hold up to 50 pounds, while reinforced bottom channels help keep everything supported over time. When you need a tool, the smooth ball-bearing slides let you open the drawers quickly and easily, while the steel-reinforced latch helps keep everything securely closed when you're moving around the job site. You also get side rails for additional storage options, plus a lid with a molded ruler and V-groove for quick measuring and layout work. If you want your tools organized without sacrificing mobility, MODbox drawer boxes make a practical addition to your setup. Still spending extra time making sure every network connector is terminated correctly? The Klein Tools Pass-Through Crimper helps simplify voice and data jobs by combining stripping, crimping, and cutting into one compact tool. Just insert your RJ45 pass-through connector, crimp it, and the tool trims the excess conductors flush with the connector for a clean termination. Its full-cycle ratchet mechanism helps you get consistent crimps, while the built-in wiring guide makes it easier to keep your wire arrangement correct before you finish the connection. You can also work with 4, 6, or 8 position connectors, giving you more flexibility across different jobs. The rubber grip keeps the tool comfortable in your hand, especially when you're working through multiple connections. And with support for both flat and round cables from 28 to 22 AWG, you get a versatile crimping solution that can make network installation work faster, cleaner, and less frustrating.
Want to protect your hands without constantly taking your gloves off to use your phone? Klein Tools general-purpose gloves are designed to give you protection while keeping your hands flexible and connected. You can operate touchscreen devices without removing the gloves, which is especially convenient when you need to check information or stay connected on the job. The soft suede palms provide a comfortable grip while helping resist everyday wear, and the flexible knit back keeps your hands breathable and easy to move. When it's time to put them on or take them off, the hook and loop wrist strap and thermoplastic rubber pull tab make the process quick and simple. And when the job gets messy, you don't have to worry about keeping them spotless by hand. The gloves are machine washable for easy cleanup. If you're looking for everyday work gloves that balance protection, comfort, flexibility, and touchscreen convenience, these are built to handle a wide range of tasks. Need to get your alignment right without carrying around a bulky laser level? Klein Tools compact laser levels pack professional-level functionality into a small, job-ready design that's easy to take from one task to the next. Bright green or red laser lines give you a clear reference for alignment and layout, while the self-leveling pendulum automatically helps keep those lines accurate. Once you've got your reference point, the 360-degree rotating magnetic mount makes it easy to position the laser exactly where you need it. You can also use the tripod threads when you need a more traditional setup or additional positioning flexibility. Whether you're aligning installations, setting fixtures, or laying out larger projects, the compact design makes it easy to carry and set up without getting in your way. And because it's built for everyday job site use, you get a practical combination of portability, precision, and durability in a tool that's ready to move wherever your next project takes you. Tired of dust and debris flying everywhere every time you use a hole saw? The Klein Tools Collapsible Dust Bowl gives you a simple way to catch the mess while you work. It can collect debris from hole saws up to 6 3/8 inches wide, helping keep your work area cleaner from the moment you start cutting.
You can connect the friction fit port to most common vacuum hoses so dust and chips can be pulled away as you cut. Inside, the sealed ball bearing collar helps reduce friction around the hole saw arbor, keeping everything moving smoothly while you work. And the dual material design gives the bowl enough rigidity to get the cut started, then allows it to flex as the hole saw moves deeper into the material. Its translucent body also makes it easier to see and align your cut. And when the job is finished, simply collapse the bowl for compact storage. If you use hole saws regularly, it's a small addition that can make cleanup a lot easier. That wraps up our look at the coolest Klein tools taking your work to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, drop a comment, and share it with friends or colleagues who need to see these tools in action. Hit subscribe to keep more videos like this coming straight to your feed so you never miss out on the latest gear, tips, and tool reviews.